The special sauce of the salad is definitely the dressing, and it brings the whole thing together. The dressing is the right blend of honey, white wine vinegar, and Dijon mustard to balance out the sweet with the tang. Panera Bread is famous for their drool-worthy salads. They just seem to have a knack for combining ingredients that have the right amount of sweetness, tang, and crunch. And their Fuji apple chicken salad is no exception. Making this salad at home starts with the base salad. A mixture of the field greens and chopped romaine gives your salad the right texture and flavor. For the chicken in this salad, you can save yourself a step and pick up a rotisserie chicken at the market. Fuji apples are the star of the show and are known for their sweet crunch. Feta cheese complements the sweetness of the Fuji apple. However, if you aren't a fan of feta, ricotta salata cheese has the same crumbly texture, but isn't as salty. But it's not done yet. The addition of apple chips brings the flavor up to a whole other level. You can crunch up a few apple chips and mix into the salad. However, laying a few whole pieces on top of the salad makes for a great presentation. And you have a copycat Fuji apple chicken salad that puts the real deal to shame.